If you've ever opened an image in Krita and realized it's tilted, upside down, or just not positioned the way you want, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to rotate an image in Krita using a few different methods, so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. We'll cover a temporary way to rotate your workspace view while you draw, a permanent way to rotate the entire image file, and even how to rotate a single layer dynamically with the transform tool. So whether you're editing artwork, sketching, or fixing an imported file, this guide will make it simple. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, let's talk about the fastest method, rotating the workspace view. This is the method you want if you don't actually want to change the image itself, but instead just want to turn your canvas temporarily so it feels more natural to draw. Think of it like rotating a sheet of paper on your desk. The actual file stays exactly the same, and none of your pixels are permanently changed. This is especially useful for digital painters, sketch artists, and anyone who wants better control over diagonal strokes or detail work. To do this, press and hold Shift and Space on your keyboard at the same time. While holding those keys, click and drag your mouse or stylus around the screen. You'll see the canvas rotate dynamically as you move. You can spin it to any angle that feels comfortable for your hand and wrist. This is a great trick when you need to adjust your view without making any permanent edits. Once you're done and want to go back to the normal upright view, just press the 5 key on your keyboard. That instantly resets the canvas back to 0 degrees. So if your workspace is tilted and you want to quickly return to normal, the 5 key is the fastest way to do it. This method is super convenient because it gives you flexibility without affecting the file itself. Now let's move on to the second method, which is how to rotate the entire image file permanently. This is the method you use when the document itself is actually in the wrong orientation, such as a scan that came in sideways or an imported image that needs to be corrected before you continue editing. Unlike the workspace view rotation, this one affects the actual document, so it changes every layer in the file. To rotate the full image in Krita, go up to the top menu bar and click Image. From there, hover over Rotate, and you'll see several rotation options appear. You can choose Rotate Image 90 degrees right if you want to rotate clockwise, Rotate Image 90 degrees left if you want to rotate counterclockwise, or Rotate Image 180 degrees if the image is upside down. These presets are perfect when you need a quick, cleaner adjustment. If you need more precision, you can also choose Rotate Image, which opens a menu where you can type in a custom angle. This is helpful when you need an exact rotation value instead of a standard 90-degree turn. For example, if your image is slightly crooked and you want to straighten it by a specific number of degrees, this option gives you that control. Just remember, because this method rotates the entire document, it will affect all layers in your project. That means it's the right choice when you want the whole file changed together. If you only want to rotate one part of your artwork, then you'll want the next method instead. The third method is rotating dynamically with the transform tool. This is great when you want to rotate a specific layer rather than the whole image. It gives you a lot of flexibility, especially when you're working with separate elements in a composition. Maybe you only want to tilt a character, adjust a background object, or reposition a sketch layer. The transform tool is the perfect option for that. To use it, first select the layer you want to rotate. Then press Ctrl and T on Windows or Command and T on Mac to activate the transform tool. Once the transform handles appear around your layer, move your cursor just outside one of the square corner boundary boxes. When your cursor changes into a curved double-headed arrow, that means you're ready to rotate. Click and drag to turn the layer freely until it's positioned exactly the way you want. This method is especially useful because it lets you make very precise adjustments while keeping the rest of your artwork untouched. After rotating, you can continue editing, resizing, or moving the layer as needed. It's one of the most useful tools in Krita when you're arranging elements inside a design or illustration. So to quickly recap, if you want a temporary way to turn your view while drawing, use Shift plus Space and drag, then press 5 to reset. If you want to rotate the whole image permanently, go to Image, then Rotate, and choose your preferred angle. And if you only want to rotate one layer, use Ctrl plus T or Command plus T and drag the transform handles to rotate dynamically. That's how to rotate an image in Krita in a few different ways, depending on what you need. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more Krita tips, digital art tutorials, and easy software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.